Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Pinterest pin upload problem. First, check your internet connection. For that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. It will open the control center. From here, you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which one works better. And make sure your file is supported format like JPG, PNG or MP4. Also check if the file size. If it's too large, try resizing the image for shortening the video. After that, close the app completely from the recent app screen. Then reopen the app and try uploading the pin again. If you are using an iPhone, go to the App Store. In the search bar, type Pinterest. Open the official app. If an update is available, tap update. Update of the useNfix box and upload problems. And that's it. If your account has a restricted or warning, upload may fail. Review your information or notification or email from the Pinterest. If the problem continue, uninstall the Pinterest from your phone, then download and install it again from the App Store. After following this step, your pin should upload without problem. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.